We built Root Data alongside Shared Practices Group, one of the fastest growing DSOs, having made the Inc. 5000 list for the second year in a row and landing a massive partnership with M1 Capital, which is apparently the first PE deal in the DSO world in 2 years. So it's a big deal for them to do that. So in this video, I kind of wanted to explain my key learnings building an AI product inside of a fast growing DSO, because I know there's a lot of DSOs and DSO operators out there wondering how AI can impact their organization. Does it actually provide a measurable ROI? Can it boost operational efficiency? Well, I'm going to answer those questions for you. So how did Root Data get started? I linked up with Austin Davis of Shared Practices Group about 9 months ago, and he wanted to rebuild data analytics from the ground up because the current dental tools that are supposed to be analytics based suck. Just to put it simply, everybody complains about them. They create more headaches than problems that they solve. So the first thing that we set out to do was getting all their data in one place. And this is a very important thing that you have to do if you want to build an AI product inside of your DSO. You have to get all the data in one place so the AI has all the right context. If you don't have enough context and the data is fragmented across, different apps and everything like that, you're not going to be able to boost operational efficiency. DSOs are already fragmented and siloed. You want your teams working in lockstep. So imagine this. If you have 50 different employees using ChatGPT for 50 different problems and they're all uploading 1,000 different documents, you don't know what they're uploading, right? And they're all trying to solve problems with that. If they don't all have the same data or the docs, they are making decisions on incomplete information. So when you pull the data in one place, everybody has this level of transparency that just was never possible before. So once we pulled the data and built these data analytics tools on top of it, we ran a pilot across 2 different practices just to test it. Everything looked really good. We added some new features. And then we decided it was probably good enough to get into the hands of employees. So we got it across their 50 practices, and then we got it into the hands of the employees. So this solves another major bottleneck because people go into building AI for DSOs the wrong way. They try to think about all the different products and features that their employees might want. Instead, we got Root into the hands of every employee, right? The RMs, the sales team, the marketing team, the founders, the doctors, the front office, the back office. And once they saw how much better the user experience was and how much easier it was to spot revenue leaks in dental practices, the light bulbs started turning on. And we started getting a flood of new features. And then we started building new features. We couldn't have built those new features unless we had the data, correct. Because when people ask the AI questions about how a practice is leaking revenue, why it's leaking revenue, if it's spitting out the wrong data, they're not going to trust the tool. But everybody in Shared Practices Group trusts the tool. And by Austin's own words, he said that people use it 10x more. They're checking the numbers 10x more than any other data tool because it's so clear. So that's basically the start of a level of operational efficiency that wasn't possible with the old data tools. And the results speak for themselves. I mean, Shared Practices Group just made the Inc. 5000 for the second year in a row. They're gearing up to launch more and more practices. They're hiring more employees. Now, that's not to say that it's all because of Root Data. You're never going to have a single AI tool that magically boosts revenue for you and solves all your problems. However, it's already clearly had an impact because all the employees are using it all the employees are acting on the same data. All the employees are moving in lockstep. The marketing team, the sales team, everybody immediately knows where the bottlenecks are in scaling a practice or a practice not doing good. So it's already had a massive impact on their bottom line. And I expect it to have an even bigger one as we add more features and launch new practices and scale. So if you have any questions about how to deploy AI across your DSO, or you want to deploy Root across your DSO, we do offer a free month. We have a demo dashboard that you can check out yourself, and you can check out the case study in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.